In our discussions so far, we've explored different approaches within the project development lifecycle, focusing on how projects are planned, developed, and delivered. Here's a summary of what we've learned. Predictive approach. This model is characterized by a single delivery at the end of the project lifecycle. It follows a linear and sequential process, where the full scope of the project is defined upfront, and work proceeds through a series of predefined stages until completion. Iterative approach. This method shortens the duration of each development cycle to 2 to 4 weeks, making it more agile than the previous approaches. Despite this acceleration, it still aims for a single delivery at the project's conclusion. The iterative approach allows for rapid adjustments based on feedback or changes in project requirements, while the predictive and iterative approaches all focus on single delivery outcomes. They differ significantly from the incremental and agile methodologies, which are based on multiple deliveries throughout the project lifecycle. Incremental approach. This strategy involves multiple deliveries, allowing the project to be divided into smaller parts that can be developed and delivered incrementally. This approach facilitates early partial delivery of features, improving flexibility and responsiveness to change. Agile approach. Agile combines elements of both the iterative and incremental models. It is distinguished by its focus on continuous delivery and adaptation throughout the project lifecycle. In an agile model, teams may enhance existing features, e.g., feature A, in one iteration, develop new features, e.g., feature B, in another, and continue to refine and expand upon these features in subsequent iterations. This dual nature of being both iterative and incremental allows for ongoing development and improvement, ensuring that new features can be added while existing ones are enhanced.